Let's be clear. When Sara Duterte said there is no question about my readiness, she was not auditioning for power. She was citing Article 7, Section 8 of the Constitution. Succession is a legal mandate, not a political fantasy. That is the duty she was elected to perform. Pero ang sagot ni Claire Castro, hindi pang palasyo, pang palengke. Because the moment she invoked Mary Grace Piatos, the conversation dropped from constitutional reasoning to cheap sound bites. And let's get this straight. Mary Grace Piatos was a COA-permitted code name used to protect an intelligence identity in confidential fund audits. Legal, recognized, documented. And frankly, mas gustuhin ko pang maraming Mary Grace Piatos with COA rules followed kaysa sa mga iskandalong hindi nila kayang ipaliwanag kahit saan ilawan. Like the BIR's over-assessed LOAs, abusive, arbitrary, and weaponized against small taxpayers, while the big players walk away untouched. LOA fishing expeditions, not lawful audits. Like the mega health centers. Mega sa press release, pero hanggang ngayon hindi matatapos-tapos. Billions allocated, communities still waiting. Like the nationwide classroom shortage. Every year, billions are appropriated, yet every year students share one chair, one classroom, one future that keeps shrinking. Pero hindi dyan nagtatapos ang listahan ng kapalpakan. Mayroon pa tayong flood control scandal. Billions poured into DPWH channels, yet Cebu, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, all drowned in preventable floods. Ghost projects, ghost contractors, and a budget trail na kahit forensic accountants nahihirapan sundan. And of course, the motherlode, the billions of pesos in congressional insertions na biglang sumulpot, lumobo at lumusot. 797 billion pesos in 2025 alone, 410 billion pesos sa DPWH with only 26 billion pesos vetoed. Imagine that. Almost $500 billion rubber stamped into public works while bridges, roads, canals, and flood control outputs remain non-existent on the ground. Kaya kung papipiliin mo ako, a dozen Mary Grace Piatos na justified, documented, and COA compliant, o isang administrasyon puno ng ghost projects, corrupt insertions, unfinished health centers, abusive tax enforcements, and flood control anomalies, the choice is obvious.